Hi everyone, how are you today? Great? Yes? Today we're going to learn about animals and their sounds. Do you want to learn about animals and their sounds? Yes? Okay, let's have a special lesson. Let's sing this song together.
The cat goes meow, 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 meow. The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. And the fly goes buzz, buzz, buzz. The horse goes neigh, 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 neigh. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. The sheep goes baa, 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 baa. And the cow goes moo, moo, moo. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The hen goes cluck, 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 cluck. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. The sparrow goes chirp, 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 chirp. And the turkey goes gobble, gobble, gobble. The elephant goes trumpet, 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 trumpet. The gorilla goes grunt, 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 grunt. The hippopotamus rumbles, rumble, rumble, rumble. And the lion goes roar, roar, roar. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The whales they sing, 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 sing. The walrus groans, groan, groan, groan. The seals go bark, 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 bark. And the seagull goes squawk, squawk, squawk. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The owl goes hoot, 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 hoot. The parrot goes screech, 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 screech. The crow goes caw, 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 caw. And the cuckoo goes coo, coo, coo. The hamster goes squeak, 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 squeak. The hog goes grunt, 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 grunt. The donkey goes haw, haw, hee, haw. And the zebra goes whinny, whinny, whinny. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds.
Bravo! Okay, so are you ready to continue practicing the animal sounds? Yes? Okay, now look at this. What animals are these? Can you remember? Yes, what animal is this? Yes, you're right. It's a horse. The horse says, neigh. Okay, what about this? What animal is this? You're right, this animal is a cow and it says moo. Okay, what about this? What animal is this? This is a pig, correct. Is it a pig? What other animal can you see here? Oh yes, we can see a frog, we can see a dog, and we can see a meow, a cat, correct. Now let's see the animal sounds. Let's begin. Meow, woof, woof, neigh, moo, quack, quack, oink, oink, meow, woof, woof, neigh, moo, quack, quack, oink, oink, meow, woof, woof. Okay, can you see the animal sounds? Yes? Did you memorize? Okay, one more time. Let's do it again. Woof, woof, neigh, moo, quack, quack, oink, oink, meow, woof, woof, neigh, moo, quack, quack, oink, oink, meow, woof, woof. Correct. Bravo. Okay, now it's time to practice one by one. Are you ready? Let's see. The cat says meow. Correct. The cow says meow. Now look at the next. What animal is this? You're right. It's a dog. And the dog says woof, woof. The dog says woof, woof. Correct. Let's see the next animal. Oh, what animal is this? It's a frog. Yes, you're right. And the frog says crap, crap, crap. Correct. You can do it. Okay, let's see the next animal. What about this? What animal is this? You're right. It's a cat. And the cat says, I can hear you. Meow. Correct. The cat says meow. Okay, let's see if you remember the next animal. What about this? What animal is this? You're right. It's a frog. How do the frogs make? Yes, it's crop, crop. You're right. Okay, what about this animal? What animal is this? Yes, it's correct. It's a dog. And dog says woof, woof. All right. Okay, now what about this? Can you remember? Yes, it's a cow. And the cow says moo. Can you moo like a cow? Yes? Let's do it again. Moo. Bravo. Alright, let's see the next animal. Oh, what animal is this? Yes, it's a pig. And pig said oink, 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 oink. You're right. Pig says oink, oink. Correct. Let's see one more. What about this? What animal is this? And this animal says neigh. Yes, it's a horse. Horse says neigh. All right. Okay, now it's time to sing a song. Do you want to sing a song? Yes? Let's listen together. Here we go.
The pigs on the farm say oink, 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 oink. The pigs on the farm say oink, 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 all day long. The cows on the farm say moo, 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 moo. The cows on the farm say moo, all day long.
You can dance too if you want. Yes.
The horse on the farm says neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the farm says neigh, all day long. The frog on the farm says croak, 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 croak. The frog on the farm says croak, all day long.
Now let's go with the cat. How do the cat says? Here we go.
The cats on the farm say meow, 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 meow. The cats on the farm say meow, meow, all day long. The dog on the farm says woof, 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 woof. The dog on the farm says woof, 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 all day long.
Bravo! You have seen very well. Okay, let's see if you can remember these animals again. Okay, what animal is this? Yes, it's a frog. Correct. And the frog says crop, crop. Yes, they say crop, crop. Okay, what about this animal? What animal is this? You're right. It's a pig. And pig says, oink, oink. Yes. And what about this? What animal is this? Yes, it's a horse. And horse says, neigh. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. Okay, what about this? What animal is this? Meow. Correct. It's a cat. And the cat says, meow. Alright, and what about this? What animal is this? This is a cow. Yes, and cow says moo. Can you moo like a cow? Let's moo like a cow. Moo. I can hear you. Can you moo like as a cow? Moo. Great. What about this last animal? What animal is this? Yes, you're right. It's a dog. And dog says woof, woof. Great. You have done a very good job today. All right. So let's sing last time the song. Here we go. Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3.
The pigs on the farm say oink, 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 oink. The pigs on the farm say oink, 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 all day long. The cows on the farm say moo, 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 moo. The cows on the farm say moo, all day long.
Now the next animal. Ooh, it's a horse.
The horse on the farm says neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the farm says neigh, all day long. The frog on the farm says croak, 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 croak. The frog on the farm says croak, all day long.
Now the next animal. A cat. Cat.
The cats on the farm say meow, 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 meow. The cats on the farm say meow, all day long. The dog on the farm says woof, 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 woof. The dog on the farm says woof, 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 all day long.
Bravo! Okay. To finish the class, I'm going to ask you about these letters. Okay, these letters are for some animals. For example, letter C, it's for cow. Correct. Letter C is for cow. And what about this letter? You're right. This letter is for moo. The cow says moo. You're right. What about this letter? Can you remember the sound of one animal? Yes, it's for oink oink. And who makes oink oink? Yes, you're right. Pigs makes oink oink. Bravo! Let's see another one. This one. Can you remember this sound? This letter for the sound? It's for woof woof. Yes, it's for woof woof. And dogs make woof woof. You're right. Correct. Okay, let's see one more letter. What letter is this? Yes, it's letter N. And it's for the sound. Can you remember the animal? Yes, it's neigh. It's the sound for a horse. Horse says neigh. Yes. Bravo. We have learned a lot about animals today. I want you to give you an applause. Excellent. We will continue until next class, okay? It's time for me to go. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I give you this song, okay? Bye bye.
The cat goes meow, 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 meow. The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. And the fly goes buzz, buzz, buzz.
Bye bye.
The horse goes neigh.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.